Hello friends, welcome to Global Online University. Today we are going to discuss some important bits in history. For the first one, where and when the second Buddhist council held? Option 1, Patliputra in 250 BC. Option 2, Sri Lanka in 1st century. Option 3, Vaishali in 383 BC. Option 4, Kashmir in 4 AD. And the correct answer is Option 3, Vaishali in 383 BC. Now the next question. Who among the following succeeded Samudragupta as the next ruler of Gupta dynasty? Option 1, Chandragupta II. Option 2, Chandragupta I. Option 3, Mahendra. Option 4, Vishnugupta. And the correct answer is Option 1, Chandragupta II. And the next question is, who among the following was 23rd Jain Tirthankara? Option A, Mahavira. Option B, that means option 1, Mahavira. Option 2, Malinath. Option 3, Neminath. Option 4, Parshavanath. And the option 4 is the correct answer. Now next question. Establishment of Indian National Congress in the year. In which year Indian National Congress has established? That means option A, 1885. Option B, 1886. Option C, 1887. Option D, 1889. And the correct answer is option A, 1885. When was partition of Bengal took place in the year? Option A, 1911. Option B, 1907. Option C, 1905. Option D, 1917. And the correct answer is option A, 1911 was the correct answer. Now the next question is Champaran Satyagraha in the year. When was Champaran Satyagraha was took place? Option A, 1918. Option B, 1917. Option C, 1919. Option D, 1920. And the correct answer is option B, 1917. Simon Commission in the year. Option A, 1927. Option B, 1919. Option C, 1935. Option D, 1928. And the correct answer is option D, 1928. When was Khilafat movement was took place? Option A, 1919. Option B, 1922. Option C, 1928. Option D, 1920. And the correct answer is option A, 1919. Pune Pact in the year. Option A, 1928. Option B, 1935. Option C, 1932. Option D, 1937. And the correct answer is option C, 1932. And the next one, Cabinet Mission Plan in the year. Option A, 1946. Option B, 1947. Option C, 1944. And option D, 1939. The correct answer is option A, 1946. August offer in the year. Option A, 1938. Option B, 1939. Option C, 1940. Option D, 1942. And the correct answer is option C, 1940. Cripps Mission. Option A, 1939. option B 1940, option C 1942, option D 1944. And the correct answer is option C 1942. Non-cooperation movement, option A 1922, option B 1919, option C 1918, option D 1920. And the correct answer is option B 1920. Civil disobedience movement in the year option A 1928, option B 1935, option C 1932, option D 1930. And the correct answer is option D 1930. Wavell Plan in the year option A 1944, option B 1945, option C 1943, option D 1946. And the correct answer is option A 1944. Thank you for watching.